Hi guys, this is a new video about TikTok, and right now we will show you how to post high quality TikTok on your account. So let's go to the TikTok application. Right now we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the plus icon to shoot some new TikTok as an example. So let's pick on this K. And I will create a new TikTok after tapping on the shooter. Yes, as an example. Later, let's pick on the check mark to save this TikTok and press next. So right now, before uploading, as you can see here, we have different options like description, select cover, etc. But we are interested in the more options settings. Let's choose this option. And as you can see, we have the special feature as allow high quality uploads, which means that you can upload your video in HD format. But remember that the as you can see, we have the special text too, which means that the higher quality videos may take longer to process. So you can activate this option, but remember that you need more time to upload this TikTok. To activate, as I said, we need to choose the toggle opposite. As you can check, our feature is activated because the toggle is green, but to disable it, let's pick on the toggle again to make it gray and turned off. But to demonstrate you this option, I will activate again this feature and tap on the cross to go back and post my created TikTok. Let's wait a minute please, but our TikTok is so short, so I hope that yes, this uploading process will be short too. Let's refresh our profile page, and as you can see right now we have our newly created TikTok here. So sorry, all of the icons are the same, but this is a new TikTok, and let's check it. So our HD option, our high quality feature is turned on, and right now I hope that you know how to create the high quality videos. Don't forget about likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and TikTok. Goodbye. Bye bye guys.